Let's move on now. Chinese President Xi Jinping has met Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman in Riyadh. Xi's high-stake three-day Saudi visit began with a grand welcome. He was greeted with a handshake by the 37-year-old de facto ruler of the world's biggest oil exporter at the Yamama Palace. The two stood side by side as a brass band played the national anthems. And then they went on to chat at the Saudi king's official residence. The two signed strategic partnership agreements, and according to the Saudi state media, the meeting between the two leaders comes with agreements close to $30 billion in sectors including green hydrogen, information technology, transport and construction. China's foreign ministry has called Xi's trip as a large-scale diplomatic activity between China and the Arab world. Beijing seeks to shore up its COVID-hit economy while Riyadh wants to diversify its economic and political alliances. The Crown Prince sees China as a critical partner in his sweeping Vision 2030 agenda. Saudi seeks the involvement of Chinese firms in ambitious mega projects meant to diversify the economy away from fossil fuels. Other than the Crown Prince, Xi Jinping will also hold separate talks with the 6-member Gulf Cooperation Council before leaving on Friday. The Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, Tunisian President Kais Saied, Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas and Sudan's de facto ruler Abdel Fattah al-Burhan have all flown in to meet Xi Jinping. Meanwhile, Iraq's Prime Minister, as well as the Moroccan Prime Minister, the Lebanese caretaker Prime Minister, all of them have confirmed their attendance. Xi Jinping's visit that aims to strengthen ties with the region that has long relied on the United States for military protection has not escaped the attention of the White House. The U.S. has already warned against the influence that China is trying to grow around the world. The U.S. has called Beijing's objectives not conducive to preserving the international rules-based order. Washington has long been a close partner of Riyadh, but the relationship is currently roiled by disagreement on energy policy, U.S. security guarantees and, of course, the contentious issue of human rights. Xi's visit follows U.S. President Joe Biden's trip in July when he greeted Prince Mohammed with a fist bump at the start of a vain attempt to convince the Saudis to raise oil production. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.